In the category of Best in Digital Advertising, the nominees are BeADonor.ca, Mighty Digital; Be Remarkable Stop Motion, Noise Digital; Chicago Sunshine Project, Chaotix Incorporated; Drunken on Drugs Happy Funtime Hour, Stitch Media; Earth Rangers Bring Back the Wild, Earth Rangers; Google Street View, DDB Canada, Tribal Vancouver; Paint Chip Names for Men, Reason Partners; TELUS Critter Vote, Taxi; Travel Smart, FCV Technologies Limited; TripWow, TripAdvisor; Un Monde à célébrer, les 75 ans de Radio-Canada, Radio-Canada; Walk Without Fear Foundation, Juniper Park;